Treat all garage and crawl space entry points as priority routes for pest prevention with Pesti Smart Pest Plan. Pesti Smart Pest Plan starts with a thorough exterior inspection to identify every potential entry location around garages and crawl spaces, including service door gaps, overhead door seals, window wells, foundation vents, plumbing penetrations, and visible cracks in mortar or siding. Technicians apply a perimeter barrier to the foundation and siding using labeled low-toxicity residual products, concentrating a continuous band around areas where the structure meets the ground for lasting deterrence. For focused entry points such as vents and window wells, we use targeted treatments that avoid clogging airflow while creating a treated zone insects avoid. Screens are checked and recommended if missing. Inside crawl spaces, technicians treat crawl space perimeters and any exposed joists or sill plates using spot treatments and dusts where moisture or tight cavities reduce liquid effectiveness, and they keep treatments off insulation surfaces. We also seal or recommend seal upgrades for gaps larger than 1/4 inch using appropriate materials such as silicone backer rod and paintable exterior caulk to prevent reinfestation. For larger access gaps, we recommend weather stripping or metal flashing. Finally, we provide a maintenance schedule of quarterly service visits or more frequent monitoring for high-pressure seasons and offer clear instructions for homeowners to keep vegetation and stored items away from the foundation to reduce harborage. Common mistakes include treating only visible openings and ignoring hidden gaps. That leads to reinfestation, so always inspect under trim and behind utilities and treat or seal those spots. Another frequent issue is applying treatments without addressing moisture, which draws pests. The fix is to correct drainage, add venting or a vapor barrier, and then apply the Pesti Smart Pest Plan perimeter and spot treatments. The third concern is over-reliance on a single treatment type, which loses effectiveness in complex cavities. Use a combination of residual sprays, non-repellent products, and targeted dusts, and check screens and weather stripping to create a multi-layered defense. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who work on pest prevention, moisture control, and sealing projects so you can find someone to implement recommended fixes. We also give contractors a place to find leads and to join our discussion community where we and other professionals exchange tips and coordinate work.